Hello all, my name is Amlan Samanta and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another interview series. In this starting series of interviews questions, I will actually discuss about different interview questions on artificial neural network. This is the initial series, so I will discuss a very simple and very basic level interview questions called what is neural network, what is artificial neural network. Explain and give an example of a neural network with an example. Okay, so this is the question that I will try to answer, and I hope you guys also enjoy the content, and it will definitely help you to prepare for the this kind of basic questions. Okay, now just follow my answers, and before going to the actual answer, I will describe the concept. Based on that, the answer will be much more simpler to understand. So what is artificial neural network, or what is neural network? How you can answer this question? If somebody asks you what is neural network, what do you mean by neural network? What you can say? So you can say like this: neural networks are the systems loosely inspired by the structure and function of human brain. Now if you tell somebody this answer, he may or may not get convinced based on the job or position you are applying for, because some jobs are not requiring much deeper knowledge for this kind of question, but some job may require. Interviewer can try to understand if you know more detail about artificial neural network, or you are aware of the details of the network. So in that case, he or she can ask you, can you explain me what are the different architectures, or what are the different component of neural network? In that case, you should go further, so that he or she can understand, yeah, you are aware of the neural network. So that is the next step, how you can go ahead. So once you tell that neural networks are the systems loosely inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, then you should tell in the next step that it replicates the human brain, in which way the neural network or the neurons in the human brain fire for learning something. Neural network or the artificial neural network also implies the same concept for learning something from the real world input data. It takes some input from the real world, then process it for capturing or extracting some hidden patterns and features from the input data, and applies some progressively complex operations on the input data, and then creates an output. And then it uses that output for taking some decision or solving one problem. This is most detailed answer, right? So you can tell in this manner so that he can get convinced that you are aware of the operation of neural network, right? If he asks some more details, then you tell neural network is a highly structured system. It consists of input layer. This is the input layer. It consists of input layer, an output layer, and a hidden layer. Okay, it's a basic neural network. So you can just tell like this that neural network is a highly structured system. It consists of input layer, which is responsible for collecting or taking data from the real world, and hidden layer, which is responsible for processing the input data by applying different linear and non-linear transformations on the input data, and an output layer, which is responsible for generating an output. So this is the structure of the artificial neural network. Now what is the example you can say? So you can tell like that neural network can be used for a lot of real world applications. For example, classification. Now there are lots of classifiers available in the market, right, in the machine learning domain. For example, random forest, decision tree, naive Bayes classifier, then why neural network, right? So that is another question. I will not discuss about why neural network is chosen for classification, but if you asked that what is the real world application or an example of neural network, then you can say that neural network can be used for classification. Now for example, suppose there is a data of lots of patients. Okay, based on the data you have to classify one patient as a sick or healthy. This is one classification problem. So how you can solve using neural network? So you have data like the person's height, person's weight, person's blood pressure, person's height, weight, blood pressure, then person's blood oxygen saturation, SpO2. So these data of the person you have in a data set, and based on the data you can design a neural network. Based on the data, neural network can actually process the information of the data, and then it generates an output as a confidence score. This is the output generated by the neural network. So suppose this is the output like 0.5. Okay, and this must be ranging between 0 to 1. Okay, so based on the confidence score that is generated by the neural network, your network can classify a particular person as sick or healthy. Suppose there is a threshold of 0.5 and you got suppose 0.7. Okay, so 0.7 means you are actually indicating that your person is not healthy. And if suppose you are getting output as 0.3, right? So for this is the threshold 0.5, right? From threshold you are getting 0.3. So you can say that that person is healthy, right? And if you get 0.7, this is not healthy, this is sick. Okay, so in this way neural network can be used for classification tasks. So that's all about this class. We actually understood how to answer the question like what is neural network, how to explain its architecture with a proper real life basic example like classification of a person as a healthy or sick, and how to convince an interviewer that this is a basic answer or something like an advanced level answer. So in this way you can tackle. I have a plan to come up with some more detailed questions regarding neural network, but based on your comments I will come up with some more detailed questions in my next videos. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends. If somebody needs this video for his interview preparation, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And in my next video I will discuss about more detailed question of neural network that are normally asked in data science interview or machine learning position interviews or AI engineer interviews, where I will discuss about more basic level neural network questions. Till then, goodbye.